Hey, come here often? I love your accent. It's the accent. Yeah. Hi there, it's Kalyn Niels with CTAC Lighting and Controls with another edition from our CTAC studios. This time I'm going to be touching on the Lumark Axcent LED wall mount fixture. I also get a lot of questions on the difference with this fixture versus the Lumark Cross Tour. So I'll touch briefly on the Cross Tour and some of the main differences there as well. So like I did mention, I do get a lot of questions on the Lumark Cross Tour. It's still available. You can see it looks pretty much identical to the newer Axcent fixtures. We are told Cooper Lighting Solutions will start to kind of pare this down. So while you can still get it now, we want people to start moving over to the Axcent. Reason being, with the Axcent, you have a silicone seal around it that already comes, so it's out of the box wet listed. With the older Cross Tour, you still have to caulk around that, make sure you get that wet listed rating, especially if you have applications where you mount this upside down or sideways or things like that. So keep in mind, while there's a couple minor changes, the Cross Tour is a little bit more work for you out of the box. So moving on to the Axcent, out with the old, in with the new. With the Axcent, as you can see here, you've got an option for full cutoff as well as the reflector option. So this is the small size, and this is getting up to 6,700 lumens. So a lot of kick with this one. You can get a larger size, which is getting up to 17,000 lumens out of this wall mount fixture. That's a lot. I don't know if you knew that, but all right. So with the Axcent, we can get this in 3000K, 4000K, or 5000K. So you have options for your color temps. I also have accessories like a cold weather battery pack. I can do motion sensors. I can also connect this to my Wavelengths integrated control system. So keep that in mind on your projects. So again, with that Cross Tour out of the box, you'd have to silicone around it to get that wet rating. However, with the Axcent right out of the box, this is already siliconed and sealed, taking one more step out of your contractor's to-do list. All right, so one more thing to note. With the Cross Tour, you had this back box that was already a part of it. With the Axcent, you don't have that. However, there is a back box with Lumen Select capability on it that you can get as an accessory that's also part of your Market Pro stocking program. Well, without further ado, let's light this bad boy up. Ooh, no glare. That's nice. Do you come here often? So again, as you can see, this fixture is very versatile. I can do a trunnion mount, I can do a pole mount, knuckle mount, any of those options. I can even point this upside down, still gonna have that wet rating. The nice thing about this fixture is it's not going to take away from the architecture of your building, the facades, anything like that. It's really a great tool for safety lighting, for making sure your pathways are well lit. It's minimalist in design, which a lot of people really enjoy about it. So keep that in mind because, well, it doesn't look like it's much. It's got a huge punch and it's gonna be able to fit along all of your different projects. Now, if you're like me and you go to sleep at night with wall packs and finishes floating around your mind, and you're wondering what carbon bronze looks like, here it is, folks. Carbon bronze is the standard finish for this fixture. However, I can also get this in graphite metallic. I can get it in black, I can get it in white, I can get it in dark platinum. So keep in mind, you have options on the finishes for this fixture. So right out of the box, this is 120 to 277 volt with 0 to 10 volt standard, and the wire leads coming out of the fixture. So you're ready, your contractor's ready to get that hooked up right off the bat. So with this, we also have options for vandal shields or wire guards. So if you have any of those hooligans that we talked about in other videos, going out there and trying to mess with your stuff,
get off my lawn.
You are covered. Thank you again for watching this video on the Lumark Axcent with a touch on the Cross Tour. If you have any questions about these fixtures or anything else, contact your local CTAC salesperson and we will get you taken care of. Thank you.
Hey everybody, please be sure to like,
subscribe,
and hit the notification bell.
You don't want to miss out on this
or this.